Hello everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through how to integrate ConvertKit with GrooveFunnels in a simple way. If you're new to ConvertKit, you can check the link in the description for a free trial. And if you already have an account, just log in and follow along with me. First of all, you'll need a Zapier account because that's what connects ConvertKit and GrooveFunnels together. Once you log into Zapier, click on Create and then choose Zaps. After that, select both ConvertKit and GrooveFunnels from the available apps. Next, it's time to connect your ConvertKit account. Click Sign In and grab your API key. To find that, go to ConvertKit, open your account settings, then go to Developer Settings. Copy your secret API key from there and go back to Zapier. Paste the key, confirm it, and your ConvertKit account will be linked. After that, repeat the same process for GrooveFunnels. Click Sign In, enter your GrooveFunnels login details, and connect your account. Once both accounts are connected, configure the settings on the right side as needed. Finally, click Publish, and you're done. Your ConvertKit and GrooveFunnels are now successfully integrated, making it easier to automate your email and funnel workflows. So, this is how to integrate ConvertKit with GrooveFunnels. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this one.